Hello everyone and hello friend. Good evening. So now, usually I'm sit in front of a room, my friend. So now, night is holiday for all students. So my friend, now I sit with my friend Fathul, but he sit in front of. So guys, now I wanna ask to all of you, uh, what do you think, all of you, my device for make video, guys? Because my device is Infinix Zero 13 4G, and this is I buy in I'm sit in senior high school. Allah, you use quarter batik. This my friend come to me for sit with me, and you can call my friend Mizi. Okay guys, now maybe I wanna speak to all of you about my specification, my device, and my device is Infinix Zero 13 4G, and my device use display AMOLED and Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and nothing. I enjoy. You want to go home? You sit now a few minutes in here. Kamu duduk di sini sebentar, beberapa menit saja dulu. Beberapa menit ke depan. Beberapa menit setelahnya. Later. So my device use display Corning Gorilla Glass, and brightness is 950, and my device use fingerprint in display, not in the side or in under, but in display, and I'm take this is my phone because use fingerprint in display, and I like display is curved 3D. So storage my device is 256, and RAM is 8 and plus 8 up to 16, and my device engine from Helio G99, and I feel the device is okay because I'm used 3 years now, and I feel nothing problem, and I always when I use my phone, my device, I'm playing game always, guys. Maybe if I'm not playing game, my device is good until now. from battery and other. But because I'm always playing game, use my device, so my phone now is low battery health, guys, and this is no problem for me. And so my device Android is stuff from Android 13, and until now is 14, guys. Update system and 24. Yes, 24 now, because now because today is 25, and we make vlog stuff from apa tanggal, date 2. Yes. And I feel use my device is okay, but and I always make for playing game, and now I feel battery my phone is low. This is it's okay, because I'm used 3 years, and I buy in when I sit in senior high school. And I'm like in my device is display curve. So my device specification is my specification main camera my device is camera under is 108 megapixel, and 50 megapixel, and selfie 30. Yes, 30 13 30 and 2 32 megapixel in camera selfie, and for video main camera is 4K, not 2K in 30 fps and 1080 60 fps, and storage and my device use storage 2.2, and this is it's okay for phone old, device old, and huh CFD. Why CFD? So guys, now my friend Fatul, he make vlog, but he finished. By Era, why you chat? Why you chat by Era?
Iya chat.
And usually in school, if like Sunday, all student holiday because nothing study and nothing working and other, but now enjoy the night, and I feel it is okay. And now I'm working because maybe all student now meet in front of room. So my friend, this is dark because nothing land. And now I'm in beside Majlis, and I feel use my device is okay, nothing lag, but because my device is old device and Android, not Android 16, and maybe now I wanna save my money for buy my device, new device. So everyone, maybe after I change my device and I buy the new device, maybe I'm take brand Oppo or Vivo because I'm like in engine and main camera and storage type LPDDR type X, and this is okay for use now. And now I'm in front of my room, and I met my friend. He playing game Mobile Legends, and maybe after I make I make video, I wanna join to playing game because now night holiday. This is my junior. He
Maybe I'm your master.
your master, and I'm your senior.
I'm your master.
Why? Ilayan? Hah?
Ipan.
Ilayan?
Ipan.
Ilal bait? Why you go home? Nothing. BBM. Zaitun. Zaitun. What mean BBM in English? Ah?
May nambay ka screen man. Wow, pacu.
Ivan, give me your money. Give me your money. Berikan saya uangmu. Sini. I wanna buy cigarettes now because now I'm nothing cigarettes.
Pan, kasih gas kau teman kita. Baik. Kau ni mana kau? Apa? Aneh teh hilang. Ano pa? Kasih gas kita.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope follow you as well, and I hope you and me as well guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Whew.